Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Cinema HD app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, you have to go to Search on your device. And now here in the search bar, we need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that is the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings on your Firestick by clicking on that button with a gear icon. Then we scroll down until we find My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now from here we'll have to turn on developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make it appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Let's open them. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install unknown apps, open it, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is, let's open it up. And now here you will find the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Latvia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we'll go straight to the list of apps on your device, and finally, start up the Downloader application on your Firestick. And when you open Downloader, all you have to do in here is go to that search bar in the middle of your screen and start entering the code, which is going to be 59745. So once again, it's 59745. That is the code we gotta enter. And then we click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, if you get such an error message, sometimes that might happen. In that case, I do have an alternative code for you. So if that code does not work, you can use a different one, which is going to be 28907. So once again, it's 28907. Then you click on go. And then a website is going to open up. So what you have to do is scroll down the website a little bit until we see a list of categories. Yep, here it is. Now from that list, we need to locate movies and TV. There it is. And then after that, you have to click on it. Then a pretty big list of applications is going to appear on your Firestick. Then we gotta scroll down a bit until you find the Cinema HD. Here it is. Let's click on Cinema HD. And then a ad message might appear for you. If you get such an ad, then just click on close or on X to close down the ad. So click on close, and now a new web page should open up for us. There it is. And you also have to scroll it down. Keep scrolling until you see that download ad-free button, as you can see here on the screen. So let's click on download. And now in a couple of moments, the download of Cinema HD is going to start. As you can see, it doesn't take too much time, usually a couple of seconds, but of course, it all depends on your connection speed. Then you'll have to click on install and just wait for the app to get finally installed on your Firestick. That also usually doesn't take too much time. And now, after the app is installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default, your Firestick does not really have too much of free space available anyway. And now, if you go to the list of applications on your Firestick device, let's open it. And here at the bottom, you'll see the Cinema HD app, which we just installed to your Fire TV. Now, I would recommend you to select the app and then click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So we click on it, and then we'll have to press on Move to Front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.